Hi guys, so probably you're here because your battery on the key on your Volkswagen has run out, and you probably received an error message in your dashboard by asking you to change the battery. So how you do this is very simple. Basically just have a flat based screwdriver, and the first step would be to take out the key here. That's it. And once you have this whole hole open, you put in the screwdriver, and then you just need to push on the outside. You need to put a little bit of pressure and until it snaps. Once it snaps, you just take the side out, push out the battery. By the way, the battery is a CR2032. Push out the battery and then put the new one in place. Put back the cap until you hear it snap, and then have the battery put in again. And that's it.